Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, with another fun, delicious cocktail. And we're gonna keep talking about this little bad boy right here. This is the Peaky Blinder by Sadler's. And this is a blended Irish whiskey, you guys. So today, we're gonna make a variation of the Kentucky Maid. This is the Irish Maid. Cucumber and Peaky Blinders. Please stay with me and let me show you how it's done. One. All right, so the Irish Maid. Very simple, you guys. A little bit of cucumber, a little bit of a simple syrup, a little bit of lemon, your Irish whiskey, and the holy water of the bartenders, the Saint Germain. So how are we gonna do this, guy? Check this out. We're gonna start with around 4 slices of cucumber. And today we're gonna make in 2 cocktails. So we're gonna go for 1.5 ounces per cocktail. So ounce and a half, and 1.5 ounces. That'll be 3 ounces. Now we're gonna go for 1/2 ounce of Saint Germain, so 1 full ounce for 2 cocktails. Simple syrup, okay? Very easy, you guys. Cup of water, a cup of sugar, and just make sure that everything is nice and hot. Stir until it's clear. You're gonna go for 3/4 ounce per cocktail, so we go for 1.5 ounces in this case. And lemon juice, always fresh. We're gonna go for 3/4 per cocktail, so 1.5 ounces of lemon juice. We have all ingredients in there. Let's give them some more. So let's make sure that you guys actually break all the cucumbers, and you get like a really nice push and muddle to everything. All right, let's get some ice. Let's give it a good shake. With this guy, we're gonna use a double strain, and we're gonna put 2 different ways of how to garnish this cocktail, guys. Number 1, fill your glass halfway and get from your cucumber just a small little wheels that you can actually spread around the edge of the glass, and then fill the rest. Second one, if you remember, your cheese slider, get your English cucumber, get a nice slice, put them in a zigzag, skewer it, and for the other one with the little cucumbers around, what you can do is just a really nice twist. So very simple, cut the edge of your lemon, stick the tip of your knife, and kind of like a detach the meat from the skin. Not too deep, just enough for you guys to be able to insert your bar spoon, and you're gonna kind of like do it in the shape of the lemon, detaching the skin from the actual peel. Then just make a small little cut just to the skin. You get just the peel. Just roll it. And cut it. And there you have it, you guys. The Irish Maid
with Peaky Blinders. Salud, everyone.